gosh, did you hear about the new lip gloss that came out yesterday? Oh my gosh, yes, I saw. And guess what? My mom bought it like 3 days ago. Look! Oh my gosh, no fair. Can I try it on, please? Well, okay, I guess. Oh my gosh, no way. I actually have this in my hand. Oh, it's too much. I just bought that thing. Oh, sorry. Stacy. Katie, hey. Listen, Stacy. 3 days ago, I gave you my lip gloss and you didn't give it back. What's your problem? What are you talking about? I give it back to you. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You took my lip gloss 3 days ago and I have proof that you still have it. Oh my gosh, Katie. I swear I didn't take it. Please trust me. I did not take it, Katie. Please. 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 Seriously? You expect me to fall for that? Listen, Stacy, all I need is an apology, my phone back, and my lip gloss. And then we're all good. Oh, here's your phone. And that cheap lip gloss. This? Take it. What's up, girl? How you been? Girl, not to talk. Hey, girl. Ooh, girl, did you hear about that new lipstick that came out? I heard it's the bomb diggity. Girl, yes, I did. And guess what? I have one right now. Look it. Oh, girl, I'm gonna fight you for that lipstick. Girl, you better give me that lipstick, girl. Girl, give me that lipstick. Girl. Don't worry, I'ma lend it to you. You can try on some new, you know what I'm saying? Here. Girl, give me this. I love you, girl. You my homie till life, till death, girl. But wait, don't use too much. You know I just bought that thing. Yo, Shaniqua, I'ma talk to you. Ooh, girl. Hey, girl. How you been, girl? What's up? Yo, let's talk. You know that thing I lended you the other day? The one with that? Now, I want it back, you know what I'm saying? So, I saw you the other day taking pictures on Snapchat with my... Come on, bro. You like that? Look it. Let me see this. Where you get this picture from? Ain't nobody seen this picture. I'm the only one who have this picture. I don't even know why you fussing about this. It's just some lipstick. Listen, Shaniqua, you know that lipstick you're holding right now? It came out of the alley. What? You can see my mouth? Ha, girl, you ain't got no hair. Fantasia, wait, girl, wait, Fantasia, I'm sorry. You ain't got no hair. Apologize, Edward, and give me that. Wait, girl, but you forgot your... Never mind. Hello, girls, tell me why this hood rat's gonna take my lipstick from me. Girl, this is her phone number I'm calling you from. She got an iPhone, girl. She rich. She bougie. She rich. And she took my lipstick that came out a few days ago. Oh, girl. think it's Fantasia,
It's
aka.
Let me finish. You never let me finish talking. Gosh.
Okay. It's Fantasia, aka Bianca.
And it's Shaniqua, aka Valerie.
And hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had fun. And we're gonna post our behind the scenes too. So yeah. And,
oh, I just tasted it in my mouth. Oh.
well, anyways, yeah. Say bye.
Bye, y'all. Go eat some chicken when y'all go home, you know.
Fried chicken and stuff like that. So yeah. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. And if you want to see our latest video, you should
click on the link below, girl.
So thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Felicia.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia. I will cut you. I will cut